So what are you doing there then?
So we're scrubbing the tyres down.
We'll see. See all that dirt there is coming off as well. Is that doing an intense clean there inside the arches and stuff?
Yeah, the best way to get these arches absolutely perfect is this turbo nozzle.
Mr. Busy. Are you doing all the door seals and the shuts and stuff?
That's the vacuum part.
So just all the door shuts and everything get a good wash before an outside wash. Just on the wheels there.
I'm supposed to measure this out because I've done it like flipping 10 million times. I roughly know the measurements.
Oh, so you've got a big tubs full there basically?
Yeah. So it's just very efficient and very fast. Instead of getting a jug and pouring it today and stuff, we don't have time because we're knocking out plenty of cars in a day. Try to be as efficient as possible because, as you know, time is money.
Yeah, of course.
In and out. So the next step now is to do a pre-rinse. So we've snow foamed the car down. Hopefully the snow foam's starting to break the dirt down. I've switched up the nozzle to a 40 degree now. But you get more of a spread on the paintwork. There's enough pressure there and knock off as much dirt as possible before we do the contact wash. I'll go ahead and do that now. So as you can see with the pre-rinse, we just try and knock off as much dirt as possible. So when we do make the contact wash, I'm not rubbing no dirt into it.
To be fair, man, you've knocked off a lot of the dirt, you know.
Yes, that's the purpose of the pre-rinse. So we're doing the next step now, which is the contact wash.
Right.
We're doing a 2-bucket method system. As you can see, we've got grip guards in the bucket, so it prevents any skunk and stuff coming onto the pads.
Oh, so that was the wash?
Huh? No, we're doing the contact wash. Alright, so it's like a
Fair dues, lads.
Yeah. Clean as possible. I'll show you one more time, so that's what we try and do.
I see,
Get it as clean as possible.
So that 2-bucket wash method?
2-bucket, yeah, so you, after each pass, you're washing your mitt and you're picking up clean water with soap in it, and which provides further lubrication. So when you're cleaning the car, the key thing is as well with the shampoo is lubrication. You don't want to put no soil marks in the paint, so when you've got a nice slick shampoo, you'll feel it under the mitt. It's beautiful to work with. You just glide across the panels, pick up the dirt, wash it off, get a brand new, not a brand new mitt, sorry. You wash your mitt in your dirty bucket, we call it, because that's what contains all the dirt and all the dirty water stuff. Back into your clean bucket, back onto the car. So everyone that does detailing knows that this is like the basic, you know what I mean, 2-bucket method system. So
it's again from the top all the way down, using the 2-bucket method and scrubbing every corner of that body.
So this is just a basic clean. In the detail valet, we actually get brushes as well, and we go inside all the grooves and so in places like this, behind the door handles and stuff. So the client doesn't want anything like that. So
he just wants basically a basic wash. So with the in detail stuff, that's with the specialist brushes and everything else.
That's when we get a bit more exciting with the brushes and stuff.
I see. Yeah, not to catch up on the paintwork. So is this the same snow foam chemical that you use then, or a different one?
No, this is a shampoo now. So that was a snow foam. This is a shampoo.
I see.
I'm going to take my jacket off because I don't want to put my
No.
In a big car like this, you have to reach over all the panels and stuff, especially being a Range Rover. It's quite a big car. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do this manual road. Say again?
Can you see all the dirt in there? That's what's essentially coming off then. So Chris is going to put it in the dirty bucket first, and then he's going to put it, once he's cleaned the dirt off, rinse it off. There you can see there, all the dirt's been taken off. So with it being a bigger car, is it a bit more difficult then to reach all the nook and crannies?
Obviously, usually what we normally do is we drop the suspension.
Alright.
The client's still got the key, so we can't even start the car and stuff. He's unlocked it from inside. So while we're washing it, we'd raise the suspension as high as possible.
Yeah.
Just gives us more access to the arches and stuff. And then when we're doing the roof on the exterior, we drop it down so we can reach as far as possible. On the interior as well, we leave it down. But it's more easy access getting in and out the car and stuff. So you can see the technique we're using top down. And after each panel, we'll rinse these mitts. So you don't want to grab the dirt from there, bring it to the top and start cracking on. So go over to your rinse bucket, as you can see. You've got your brick guards. We just rub our mitts against these brick guards.
So what are you going to do on the outside now then?
So I'm just going to make sure that we've got all the shampoo off the car and leaving no residue behind to fit the purpose of using spotless water.
What are you doing there then?
So I'm just giving the interior wipe down with some APC.
Okay. And what does that do then? Just makes it all shiny and...
So in APC, it's an all-purpose cleaner.
Okay.
We're using Surfex to a ratio of, I think it's 2% or 3%. Extremely safe for the interior, it's very good as well. Just the light dusting we're doing here, it's not too weird, it's a brand new car.
Yeah, it does definitely look nice and clean. So it doesn't need much treatment then because it is new, innit?
Yeah, hence the client spoke to me well.
Yeah. That's something that you consulted him to do then?
He's been with me for a long time, so he's come to that stage where he knows what needs to be done now.